Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Izina here, and today I'll be introducing the newest earbuds I have. So Oforui brand, they were kind enough to send me one of their latest earbuds, and today we'll be reviewing it. So if you guys noticed, the last earbud that they sent to me was the other one, the Oforui Buds Pro. As you guys can see, this is it. So here is the earbuds, and then if you can see it, the glare is too much. So here is the earbuds, and it's okay, it's nice. So this is how when you check, like when you view it, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like the one they previously sent to me. So but now we're going over to the ones that they sent to me recently, which is this one. So this is the box it came with. As you guys can see, the box is nice. It's portable, and I love the design of this one, the gold and black. It's giving it this kind of feel that it's like it's expensive, it's a high brand, you know, this and that. And before I go on, let me tell you guys something. Oforui is a professional brand in America. They have also, but I think originally they are from China. So these earbuds have like battery life of 6 to 8 hours, and also it has a 6 microphone for noise reduction, and ENC, which is ENC is another mode. And we also have like the ANC, which is active noise cancellation. It also have this hybrid, like it's hybrid. It also has this transparency mode, whereby if you are not someone who likes to listen to music on loud volumes, you can put it and hear background sounds. But if you are someone who likes to jam movies, or who likes to be alone and wants to be out of this world, you can try out the ANC mode, which is noise cancellation, which is it cancels all the noise around you, whereby you can't hear anything. But I recommend don't use that when you're driving or on the road. So basically use it when you're at home or at school, so that's much better. So it also has like hi-fi sound quality, dual Bluetooth 5.4 chips, which means I do wear them and then keep the back here, and then I go to the kitchen or to the bathroom, which like, let's say a few stone throws, then I can still hear them. But sometimes, like, for some other earbuds I've used so far, this is one of the best. I'm not saying because maybe they gave it to me, and these are just my honest review. They have sent this to me since a long time now, like since 2 weeks ago, and I've used this earbud extensively because I wanted to give you guys like a very honest review and tell you guys the pros and cons of getting this if you are going to be getting it. So it also has the size is 17% smaller than the AirPods Pro, which I can show you guys when I'm unboxing it, and you guys will see it. And also it is more comfortable to wear, because the previous one I did complain to them that there is a bump on the part of the earbud that when I put it in my ear, it kind of disturbs me. Like I can't wait for a longer time, just at the maximum 2 hours. And me, I'm someone that I love to listen to music a lot, and I also watch a lot of movies. So that's just something. And it also has like the AAC decoding as Apple. So for me to show you all these things I've listed so far, and I will be showing you guys, there's an app I'll be using to show you guys everything when I connect it to my phone. Now it connects automatically based on, okay, for the first time when you are pairing it, you search for the Bluetooth of the earbuds, and then you pair it with your phone. But after pairing it, when you want to when you want, it doesn't, like, it connects automatically. You don't have to reconnect it every time, so which is very essential. Now, so let's go right into the unboxing. So this is the box it came with, and as you guys can see, the box is very nice. I love the packaging. I didn't complain of the last one that the packaging was like a little bit tacky, but it was okay. But I feel like when someone wants to unbox something, they like for it to be very expensive, very chic, like Apple. So with this, you are getting that. So he said, brilliant original sound listening, extraordinary. That's what is written here. So opening the package, like, you have to slide it up like this. Opening it, you see this. Let's put it here, and this is it. It said originated in the United States, international brand. Look at it. And this box look like it's not cardboard, but it's nice. It's nice. As here you can see their logo, Oforui or Oforui. I don't know. The name sounds somehow, but I guess it's Chinese, so that's why. So if you want to open this, you don't have to. You just have to do this from this side. There is a magnetic. It's magnetic, so I love it. See. So you just open it, and opening it, I don't know this. I don't know if it's coincidental that I'm a content creator in Italy and this is the Colosseum in Rome. So I don't know. So they have like a little bit of writing here. I can't go about it, but if you want to read it, you can just pause the video now and read it. So, and opening it, you see like the Statue of Liberty and like American, showing you that it's originated in the US. So this is the Earbuds. We are going to put it aside. So getting under the confinement of this is where the Earbuds was, and we are going to be seeing here is an extra layer. We are going to be seeing another set of this is two, another set of okay. Now here is the we have like the charging cable, which is like type C to USB, type C to USB, as you guys can see. Then we have the manual to show you guys how to connect it, and then there's also like the extra Q-tips that they sent, which is nice. Okay, let's keep it here, and then this one here. Getting to the box, to the main deal of the day. This is it. Now let me show you an example. This is the one they sent to me now, and this was the one they sent to me last year. So let's look at the size difference. Just look at this one is more bulkier, and but this one is, I think, more taller, a little bit with an inch or something. But different designs also, because this one opens this way, while as this opens it that way. So, but I do love this one more, because let me show you an example. So peeling this out, this is the size of the one they sent to me. Oh, sorry, this is the one, and this was their previous one they sent to me also. As you guys can see, the size difference, like it's a lot. It's a lot. The size difference is a lot. So I love this size much better, because this one is way more bigger compared to their previous one. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect this to your phone. Now I have my other phone here. It's automatically connected because my Bluetooth, as you guys can see, is on. So let's say I turn off my Bluetooth and I put the earbuds back into their casing. Okay, now I turn on my Bluetooth, which is here. My Bluetooth is on, and then I open the case. When I open the case, it's connected automatically, as you guys can see, because it's already connected on my phone before. So let me wear it and show you guys how it fits. So I will show you guys also how this one is. For example, look at how this one is on my ear. See, it's big, like you can see it. But let me show you an example of the other one. You see, I like that it's small, it's portable, it's not noticeable, and it suits my ears because I have small ears, which is kind of funny because you hardly see my ears. So let me play a music. Now tapping once would make your music to pause, then tapping again will play it. So if you want to next, you double tap on the right hand side, and if you want to go back to your previous music, you can double tap also to go back to your previous music. Then for you to change modes in the for the earbuds, you can just hold it for like 3 seconds. It will tell you ANC off or ANC on, transparency mode on or off. So it's off now, and it's on transparency mode, which means I can hear my background sounds. And ANC is on again. It has cancelled all the noises around me. So if I want to also activate Google, or if you have like Siri, so triple tapping on this would activate Google, what do you call it, Google Assistant. So let's check it out. So as you guys can see, it has also activated it again. So triple tapping here, if you're interested in getting these earbuds, you can check the link in my description box and also the link I pinned on my comment section. So these are how it looks like, and I also love them because this is more compact compared to the previous one. Let me know if you want me to do like a comparison between the previous one and this one. So this is called the Oforui Sky Pro. So you can check on AliExpress, you can check on TEMU, you can check on Shopee if you are from the Philippines or other Asian country, and you can get this for as cheap as low. It's very cheap compared to the high-end ones, and it gives you a lot of things. So I will talk about the quality is nice, although some people might think, okay, you don't like the design or anything, but apart from the design, I don't see anything wrong with it because it's okay, it's nice. It has the Type-C, which you can use to connect with anything you have, and I like this design because it's much more better than the previous one. It's small, it's compact. You can just pocket it instead of it being bulgy on the previous one, being bulgy in your trousers. That will be all for today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one. So